Hi, my name is Carlos Rizford. I'm the specialist trainer for Avery Dennison in Spain. In this video, I will share one of the most important topics of car wrapping, which is the double corrugation of vehicles. We start with this door. First, as always, use surface cleaner to clean the surface. We spray and clean all the areas that need our maximum adherence. Corrugations, finishes, the holes in the handles and the flat area. We continue applying the vinyl on the flat surface. As always, we position it. And now we begin squeegeeing. Before squeegeeing, we are going to put an external exit for the airflow. We need the air that is trapped within the corrugations to escape somewhere. With the help of a tube or a packing strip or anything that is not adherent, we can make the air escape through the channel of the objects that we put. Now, with the help of an application glove, we will adapt all the corrugations, making the air escape through our exit. To make the glove slide better, a little soap and water, and everything will be much easier. We see the material begins to tighten, and when the wrinkles disappear, it is at the perfect temperature to be able to apply. First, the deepest part, then the thinnest part, and finally the center. And now we will continue with the rest of the corrugation. Okay, we get to the completion of the piece. We must be able to extract this air out using our extractor and at the same time remove it and make sure there is no mark, and it is perfect. We will wet the red squeegee so that it slides better and there will be no problem. And we are gradually arriving at the corrugation, trying not to create any type of wrinkle or anything to make it perfect. Now, very carefully, we are removing the strap until it loosens a little. There. And once we have it, we give it a little heat so that the vinyl goes into position, and we are done with the squeegee. We remove the strap a little bit. We heat it so that it recovers its position. Remove the strap completely. We heat all the material so that it recovers its natural state. And finally we pass the squeegee to make it perfect. Once the piece is ready, remember, it is not finished yet. You have to break the memory with the help of a laser thermometer. We will break the memory of the entire surface where we have deformed the material so that the vinyl cannot jump. In this case, what we have done is apply the vinyl, heat the entire surface, go to the deepest part first, then we have gone to the thinner part, and finally we have applied the center without any tension, therefore ensuring the material is under minimal stress. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you at one of our training centres here in Madrid or anywhere else in Europe. Or click on the link you will see at the end of this video. If you would like to learn more, go to graphics.avdenison.eu/workshops. Hope to see you again soon in our next video. See you soon.